direction. Here we come. Get ready. Get ready with the camera. Press that button now.
Yeah!
Once the pitch is good pitch. He's not done yet, mate.
No, he's not done. He'll keep going. Go, guys.
What happened on that day back then? The moment hurt us all. Now you can see the reason why not everyone said you don't have to please him.
Take a look at that going ahead. It's fine now.
It's just not fair that you know, and I know better.
Yeah.
Said it never get anywhere. Well, they don't care. It's just not fair that you know, and I know better. Yes, I do.
Just right hand down, guy. Just head around. Right hand down. Right enough float.
Well, the weeks go by and you wonder why
Got that tight?
this is really true. Your heart said no, but you're feeling sure the whole thing you never knew. You and I, we knew deep down that ain't really you. No excuse didn't work out right. Things didn't start.
Woo! Jason!
Now you see the reason why not everyone's the same. And you don't have to please him, but try hard to say your name. Say you never get anywhere. Well, they don't care. It's just not fair, but you know, and I know better. Say you never get anywhere. Well, they don't care. It's just not fair, but you know, and I know
Wait, wait there, wait. Easy, 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 easy. Oh, jeez, just cut my fingers up good.
they seem to wake up, man, get out of your dreams. They always what they seem to wake up. Well, things ain't always what they seem. Wake up, man, you're in my dream. Things ain't always. Oh, now you see the reason why not everyone
Still on fire. Get him up, get him up. Short and cloudy. Nice one, Dan.
That's the way to keep it away from the start.
I might like to throw that bit on YouTube. Times. Oh yes, still recording. Oh, that didn't feel very good. Second sailfish. First one for the day.
You got a thing about you. I just can't live
There you go,
without you.
He went slow, mate.
I want you, Eleanor, near me.
Oh yeah.
Suffocate me, even though your folks hate me. There's no one like you, Eleanor. Eleanor, I think you're swell, and you really do mean well. You're my pride and joy and cry.
doing, Rod?
I really think you're groovy. Let's go out to a movie.
Nice.
What do you
I don't think he
say
would
now, Eleanor?
Oh, you tail wrapped him or something? Oh yeah, just belly hooked him. Good call, Skip.
Lights way down low. Maybe we won't watch the show. I think I love you, Eleanor. You're my pride.
Good, fishy.